So here we're once again dealing with our function to find the value of a car after t years. We're told in this one that the owner sells it for 18,500 after 3 years, and then we're asked what was the profit or loss based on its value at that time. So I always think it's good if you can break a question down into multiple steps, or kind of just break it down sort of so you know which order to do it in. So our first step here is going to be to find the value at t is equal to 3, because t is the number of years, so we need to plug in the number 3 to find that. And then secondly, we're going to be subtracting this 18,500 from the question, because it sells for that amount, and therefore we can find out if the owner got more or less money than what it was worth after 3 years. And so just plugging in 3 for our function, we get 30,000 times 0.85 to the power of 3, and we can just plug that straight in the calculator, and we get this figure here. So we're going to get 18,423.75. So that is the value after 3 years. And so now we've got to subtract this 18,500, or actually subtract this from 18,500 I should say, to find the difference. So they sold it for 18,500 and it was worth this much, and we can see that this number is smaller, so it's like about 75 euros smaller, and we're going to find out the exact amount now. So 18,500 minus 18,423.75, and that is going to give us a value of €76.25. So this is a profit. It doesn't really matter actually which order you do this in, so you can subtract 18,500 or subtract from that, as long as you get your sign right at the end. So they made a profit of 76.25 because they sold it for more than it was actually worth. And so this is going to be our final answer, and it is a 76.25 profit.